I got a cab high fiberglass. They've got it marked as a 95 Tundra, but that would be the 93 to 99 Toyota T-100 with the 8-foot bed. This one's nice, got racks on the top. It's a Swiss model. It's got a little bit of damage right there on the corner. It's got a small stress crack on the corner of the window. It's got half sliders in it. On the sides here, it's got a little bit of a damage on this corner, on this bottom edge right through here. But all in all, it's not bad. It's got a little nick right there, a couple scratches up here on the top. This comes with the roof racks, ready to haul some ladders or some kayaks or canoes or whatever you want to use this for. Half sliders on this side as well. On this side, the driver's side, has just got one small spot that I see right down here towards the back. It's got some damage right there on the plastic trim. But other than that, it's in all really good shape. It's white. There's no damage. Other than what we pointed out to, this is really good condition. Half sliders. On this side, it's got the double T handles. Rear door, locking rear door. Screens look good on this side. Don't see any holes in here. It's got a tilt-in front sliding window, so you can tilt that in, release that, and you release this one over here. You pull that in. It's stuck a little bit. There you go. Pull that into well, looks like somebody's got that auto adjustment here. There we go. Oh, call me a liar, don't you? There we go. Tilt that in so you can clean the front of this window here, and then the back of the cab window. Sliding window on this side, no holes in the screen. This one looks really good. Swiss serial number. So cab high fiberglass, 8-foot bed. Based on what they're marked it as, the 95 Tundra, looks like it's going to be the 93 to 99 T-100. If it's different, we will note that in the video, and it'll also be listed on our website with the correct listing.